is no magic formula for calculating a settlement in Indianapolis. Any lawyer who tells you otherwise is not being honest. Here is the truth. Hi, I'm Mark Lopez, and the question on every client's mind is, what is my case worth? While I can't give you a number without reviewing your case, I can explain how we value claims here in Indianapolis. The number one factor is your medical treatment. And so the extent of a person's medical treatment, what the medical bills are, that is going to be absolutely huge. So it's not necessarily direct correlation, but the more bills you have for related medical treatment, there's going to be a higher settlement value. It's also going to be a higher settlement value if somebody has a broken arm or some sort of very painful injury. Now, that's objectively painful, not necessarily subjectively painful, because I know firsthand back pain can be horrible. But we're talking about a broken bone is typically going to be valued at a higher settlement value than aches and pains or light bruising. Someone that, was not able to walk for a significant period of time, well, it's going to have a higher settlement value than someone that missed one day of work and went to the doctor twice. That's just a fact. So medical records and medical treatment, that's going to be the cornerstone and one of the most important drivers of a settlement for an injury case. Number two, how did the accident or injury affect your life? Were you not able to go to work? Did you miss vacations? Did you not get a promotion because you weren't able to go to work? Did you miss your child's events? Did you have to stop going to school? There's all sorts of ways that being injured impacts a person's life. And we're not just machines supposed to go to work every day. We're supposed to have fun in our free time. We're not able to play basketball. We're not able to go to the movies, and you love seeing the movies. We're not able to take walks on the park with your loved ones without being in pain. So how an injury affected your life is a huge driver of what that case could be worth in settlement. Now, here is point three, and this is the reality of insurance policies, because a case can be worth $1 billion, but if there's not an insurance policy to pay out $1 billion, well, the case isn't really worth $1 billion. So let's put that in layman's terms. In Indiana, the minimum coverage is $25,000. $25,000 doesn't go very far. What that means is if somebody hits you and they cause you $100,000 in damages, but all they have is a minimum coverage, $25,000, well, there's only $25,000 of insurance money to pay you. And if this person doesn't have significant assets, well, kind of out of luck unless you have uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Hopefully you have a whole lot more than $25,000. So insurance policies can put like an artificial cap on what a case is worth. And that's not the fun part of this job. That's actually one of the worst, especially when somebody has serious injuries. The person that caused the serious injuries has a very small policy, and the person that was injured, they don't have significant uninsured or underinsured coverage. Uninsured, underinsured coverage kicks in when the at-fault party doesn't have enough insurance, while your insurance can throw into the pot. But you have to have that type of coverage. So, as you can see, a proper valuation of an injury case is not a guess. It's a detailed analysis, and our job is to build a case that demonstrates the full impact of the accident and injury on your life. Now, if you've been injured, give us a call, 317-632-3642. I would love to talk to you about your options. My injury team is the best in the state. I truly believe that in my heart. We fight hard every single day, and I know we can help you. But most importantly, remember this. Insurance companies are not your friend, but I can be. Give me a call, 317-632-3642.